In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Finance in Sheets. Integrating financial data into your spreadsheets can be a game changer, especially if you're keen on tracking investments or analyzing market trends. Google Finance and Google Sheets offer a seamless way to access this data. And the best part, you don't need to be a financial wizard or a spreadsheet guru to make it work for you. Let's start with the basics. Google Finance is a website dedicated to business news and financial information hosted by Google. Whether you're an investor looking for real-time stock quotes or just someone curious about the financial world, Google Finance is your go-to portal. First things first, you need to access Google Finance. Simply go to the Google Finance website. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll see a sign in button on the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it. Once you click sign in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you use for financial tracking or the one you want to use for this particular task. After selecting your Google account, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to proceed. Once you've input your password, click on Next. This will take you directly into Google Finance. Now that you're in Google Finance, it's time to get the specific information you need for Google Sheets. If you're looking to track a specific stock, search for the stock name to find its ticker code. A ticker code is a unique series of letters assigned to a security for trading purposes. For instance, if you're interested in Google's stock, you would search for Google, and the ticker symbol you'd find is Google. Once you have your ticker code, it's time to jump over to Google Sheets. If you're not familiar, Google Sheets is a powerful online spreadsheet program that allows you to create and format spreadsheets and collaborate with other people in real time. To get started, navigate to Google Sheets and either open an existing sheet or create a new one for your financial data. In your Google Sheet, you're going to leverage a very powerful function, = Google Finance. This function allows you to import real-time financial and currency market data straight into Google Sheets. But how do you use it? It's simpler than it sounds. Click on a cell where you want your financial data to appear, then type in = Google Finance. But don't hit enter just yet. We're not done. Inside the parentheses of the Google Finance function, you have to put your parameters such as the stock ticker you found earlier. You can also specify what type of data you want. For instance, you could ask for the price, volume, high, low, etc. You can even request historical data by specifying dates. For a basic example, if you wanted the current price of Google stock, you would type search Google Finance, Google price. Once you hit enter, Google Sheets will query Google Finance and pull in the current price of Google stock directly into your spreadsheet. It's like magic, but it's really just the power of Google's suite of tools at work. Let's not stop there. The Google Finance function is versatile. Say you want to track the historical closing price of a stock over a month. You would extend the function to include the start and end dates. It might look something like this: a Google Finance, Google, closer date, 2024 1/1, date, 2024 1/31. This function will populate your sheet with daily closing prices for the entire month. Remember, the beauty of Google Sheets is not just in collecting data, but in analyzing it. Once you have your data, you can use Sheets' various functions and tools to perform calculations, generate graphs, and derive insights. Whether you're calculating investment returns or comparing stock performance, the possibilities are endless. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips to enhance your experience. First, always ensure that your internet connection is stable, as pulling data from Google Finance requires connectivity. Second, familiarize yourself with other Google Finance attributes and functionalities. You can find these in the Google Sheets documentation to fully leverage this powerful tool. Integrating Google Finance with Google Sheets can revolutionize how you interact with financial data, making it accessible, insightful, and frankly, a bit fun. Whether for personal investment tracking, preparing financial reports, or just feeding your curiosity about market trends, mastering these tools can provide you with a wealth of information right at your fingertips. And that's how you use Google Finance in Google Sheets. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Dive in, explore, and happy analyzing.